This is Heidi Herda with eXp Realty, and I'm here with Brian Fritz. He is the president at Granite Mortgage, joining us today. So we're going to talk a little bit about his business here, right here in Champlin. Good morning. How are you?
Wonderful. Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
All right. So how long have you been in the mortgage industry?
I got into mortgage in 1998, so this will be my 25th year in the mortgage business.
25 years. That's
Yep.
a long time.
Yeah,
You've
it
seen
is.
it all.
I have.
You've seen it all. Can do it all, right?
Well, yes, and a lot of ups and downs in this business, but just keep going through the times, and things are good.
Perfect. Anything particular that you specialize in as far as home loans go?
Yeah, so we're a subsidiary of Granite Bank. So we're Granite Mortgage, and our parent company is called Granite Bank. And one of the things that we have the ability that other companies simply just can't do is portfolio lending through our bank products. So a lot of things that maybe Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae cannot get approved, or construction financing, lot loans, bridge loans, home equity lines of credit. Plus we have a whole list of brokers that we can go through that are unique niche products that other lenders may not have.
Okay. And does that include jumbo loans?
Yes, we can do jumbo financing. We have, I think, 5 different investors that allow us to do jumbo financing.
So everybody is talking about the rates.
Mm-hmm.
What can you say about where we're at in the rates?
Well, yeah, rates have ticked up. Like I said, I've been doing this 25 years, so I remember the day when rates went below 8 and we had a huge refinance boom. I never thought they'd go below 8%. And lo and behold, they keep going lower. And so we were just in a very unique time where rates were in the 2, 3, 4% range for a while. And a lot of that was inflated through just government entities of keeping mortgage rates low and helping home ownership. But it wasn't really a realistic time. It was great for people buying their first home or refinancing at the time, but rates have come up into probably in a more normal range right now. So right now, yeah, rates are still relatively very good historically. So a lot of times when I talk to clients, I say, look at rates historically. That's not easy for people who want to buy a house now, but rates are still very good, and they've actually come down in the last month. So
yep, I did see that.
yeah,
so
it's just
things
fine.
are looking up.
Yep.
For us.
Yeah. I always say, buying a home is the most important thing, because when you rent a property, it's 100% interest rate.
Yep.
You're paying 100% rent to somebody else, and you're paying their mortgage for them. So at least we're at lower interest rates, helping buy a house.
So let's say if I'm buying a house in the next 6 months, what advice would you give me to prepare?
First and foremost, talk to a great real estate agent like yourself. That's one of the first things we want to take a look at. So we can look at what types of properties you want to do, kind of the market you want to be in, and then almost simultaneously talk to a good mortgage company. Know how much you can afford, what type of loan programs are available to you. One of the worst things we can do is have somebody say, "Oh, I want to buy." I looked at a property for $250,000, and the most they can get approved for is $220,000, and they get disappointed. So we want to make sure we have that set amount right away. But really, just starting the process early. And try not to look at houses right away and say, "I got to go now." Just start the process early, so you know exactly what type of home you want, what's best for your lifestyle. Knowing the differences in different products or homes that you want to look at for multifamily properties, or maybe an association fee or condo fees, things like that. So start the process early, talk to a realtor, a lender who work well together. That usually helps. You
guys have been here, you are creating your own little niche office here. So if somebody wants to stop by, where can they find you?
Right, yep. So we've got this office here in Champlin. So that's where our bank location is. We have an office here in Champlin as well. And then we've got an office up in Cold Spring, Minnesota,
okay,
and looking to expand as well. So yes, they can meet here in Cold Spring, meet in our bank location, wherever they'd like to.
Perfect.
Make it easy.
I will put some contact details how to reach you.
Okay.
And then you have a team as well.
Yep.
Okay.
We've got a full team of loan officers here on our staff that if there's somebody who wants to reach out or make availability on the weekends, we're available to do that as well.
Perfect. Well, I'm excited to learn more about the business as it grows and you guys get settled here. You guys are right in Champlin, right next to Clive, so anybody can stop by. And of course, if you guys are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, I'd be happy to help you. And if you're a local business wanting to also be interviewed in the area, certainly reach out to me. We'd love to do an interview with you. Thanks. Take care.